In this video, I'll show you how to add custom backgrounds and tile maps to your game. So what you want to do is go down here to the bottom left, click on world.tscn, and then on the top left here, you will go under BG for background, parallax layer, and you'll click the back. Then on the right side, you can see the little image. When you click on the drop-down menu at the very bottom, you can click Show in File System. This will then find that background image at the very bottom left of your screen, where you will then right-click and then click Show in File Manager, which will open the folder where this thing is located in, and you will then open Piskel and drag that back.png into Piskel, where you will start to edit whatever background you want to create. So I'm just going to create a new layer and just draw like a little island in the background, but obviously for your game, you want to keep with your theme. Then when you're finished, you want to export, you want to click PNG and click on the very, very bottom selection. When you have that done, go to your downloads folder, that's where your new image should be, and you'll want to open that other folder from earlier. If you accidentally close that folder already, then again, go at the very, very bottom left, you should still have the back.png, right-click it, and once again open File. And now you can actually drag and drop it in there. It's okay that it gave it a different name, because now from the bottom left you can just drag it to the top right, and now your image is applied to your map. Obviously you'll do a better job than I'm doing right here, but you can see that it kind of looped the background there. Then we can also do the tile map. So at the very top left there's a tile map menu, which will enable you to put down a bunch of different things onto your map, so like the floor, but also flowers. And so when you play the game, once again you have all those things there. And so you can also customize your tile map, and for this one you will find it again at the very, very bottom left, and it will be under environment and tile set. So you'll right click it and once again show in folder, and you can drag and drop it into your Piskel default settings, and you can start editing your own tile sets. Now that you have done, once again download it just like before, and you will have to bring it from this folder into the tile set folder. For this one though, the name will matter, and again, if you forget how to do it, then just right click on the tileset.png and open it in folder. And for this one, when you drag it in there, you have to make sure that the names are actually the same. So when I drag it in there, it changed the names automatically. So make sure you rename it, right click, rename, call it tileset. But it's complaining that tileset already exists. So I will actually delete the original tileset and then put this one in there, rename it. And so now when I'm on my tile map again, I can start drawing my tiles. But when I play the game and I move my character over that tile set, I drop down. And that's because I don't have any collisions on that tile set, so I actually have to add collision onto that tile. So my character collides with it. It doesn't fall through it. So for this one, at the very bottom, you have this, you have tile map and you have tile set at the very bottom. So when you click on tile set, then on the middle-ish of the screen, go to paint. Then for the paint properties, select physics layer, and then click on that specific tile set that you drew, or the specific tile. This will add a collision box to your tile map, and you should be all good to go. Obviously, you don't want to add collision to like flowers or anything that's kind of in the foreground that your character shouldn't walk on top of. Mostly just on the little blocks that the character should walk on top of. That's the only place you actually add your collisions to. So yeah, that's it. You're pretty much adding on to your game, making the whole theme kind of come together, and yeah, good luck.